All right, so hello everyone. Hopefully things are fine and you are very welcome to my video. This is Porosh here today, and today I have come here in a very beautiful place, and the place name is Shabdi, which is so beautiful. As you can see, look at my behind. It's one kind of a village area, and I really love this kind of environment. And today I have come here along with my friend Sakib. Sakib is walking before me, and I'm just walking beside the street and trying to say something about the environment that I'm having at this moment. It's very early in the morning, just 7 a.m. So it's a foggy morning. There is fog everywhere, and even I can't see the things that even in a little distance. So yeah, as you can see, some PNG are also actually roaming at the street. And yeah, I'm also having a good time here, and hopefully in today's video, and today we are going to explore this area. Let's see what can we find, and hopefully we will enjoy so much by doing this kind of things. And you don't need so many things, and even you don't need lots of money to enjoy your life. If you have the intention that you will enjoy the natural beauty, or you will enjoy your life, then you can enjoy your life with your limited resources. And that I'm doing, as I am an explorer and I love to explore nature. So that's why whenever I get some time, I just try to come outside, and I just try to enjoy the natural beauty. And as you can see, what a beautiful view it is. I really love this kind of environment. And it will be a random video because I don't know here anyone without my friend Sakib. And okay, so Sakib, I want to ask you something. Come here, brother. How are you today, brother?
I'm fine, bro.
Oh, okay, that sounds good. And are you excited about our today's journey?
Yeah, I am excited. Really excited.
Okay, you are very excited. Yeah, I'm too. We have come here about an hour, and then we have taken our breakfast, and now we are going somewhere in order to find some good places, because I have some intention that I will make some videos about learning English, about my own journey, how I learned English. So that's why we are just finding some good places, and hopefully we will get those places. If we get some places, then it would be okay for me, and then I will make those videos. And later, although I have my college today, but I'm not sure whether I will go to my college or not. Yes, and we can see here there are so many visitors also come here, because this area is really beautiful. The natural view, or like the natural resources this area has, is truly amazing. Yeah, it's aesthetic place. Now I want to show you something very beautiful. As you can see, just look at my behind. What an amazing view it is. And it's a really foggy morning. Even we can't see what is actually happening at the opposite direction of this river. And this river name is Shitolokha. And Narayanganj is located beside river Shitolokha, and Narayanganj is an ancient place. It's actually famous for its industrial area and produce cloths and so many things. And I really love my city very much. Although now I am in a village side of Narayanganj, and this area is really remarkable. So beautiful, amazing, aesthetic, wonderful. Yes, and I'm really enjoying my time. It's a cold morning, as cold as ice. I'm wearing my jacket, but it's not good enough to protect me from this cold. Yes. Okay, it will be a random video. I'm just speaking. And yeah, I'm using my gimbal, and it gives me a chance to make a smoother and clear video. Yes, that is the thing. Well, okay, some people are noticing me, but it doesn't matter. As you can see, on my right, there are some people who are working here at this moment. And yeah, this is a shop, and this kind of shop is famous in village side of our country. Yeah, some people are noticing me, but they are just thinking that what the boy actually trying to do here. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing any crime, because when I go somewhere, that time I see people are taking photos, people are taking selfies. Then what is the problem if I make video, if I speak randomly? Yeah, that is the thing. And this here, some restaurants are also available where you can sit and take a chance to see and eat something. But as it's morning time, so there is no chance to eat something. But if you come here in the afternoon, then you will be able to see, you will be able to eat something and spend your valuable time. And these looks are very beautiful if you see. So beautiful. Okay, it's a random video. I'm telling you it again because I have no one here in my connection and the environment is really fascinating. Okay, yes, that is the thing. I'm just speaking and I'm enjoying also. Yes, the sun is come out and hopefully the fog will disappear as soon. I mean, soon it will disappear and then we will be able to enjoy our time. Okay, so let's see what can I do now in upcoming hours. Let's see. Now I think it's time to finish this video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching it, and hopefully I will show you something good in upcoming future. Okay, so yeah, that's all.